Are you tired of trading all your hours for a paycheck and still feeling like it's never enough? What if you could sell digital products online and make 100% profit without inventing something new, without spending hours creating your own products, and without being chained to your job? Stick with me because today I'm going to walk you through exactly how everyday moms, dads, and empty nesters are doing this and how you can too. And make sure to stick around until step 4 because that's the one that really changes everything. Hi, if we haven't met, I'm Lori, a married empty nester mom of 4. And like many of you, I felt the weight of bills, fatigue, and wondering how to spend more time with my family without stressing over money. On top of that, I live with a chronic illness, which means I can't spend long hours or handle a business that requires me to hustle 24/7. I needed something flexible, something that fit around my health and gave me the freedom to work when I could. That's when I discovered the Freedom Formula Blueprint. It showed me a simple way to sell digital products for 100% profit using a done-for-you model that's already proven to work. And today I want to walk you through what that looks like and why it might just be the solution you've been looking for. Let's start with the why. Digital products are things like emails, digital courses, templates, or even digital planners. These are products that don't require shipping, warehouses, or inventory. Once they're created, they can be sold an unlimited number of times with no extra cost. Think about this for a second. If you bake a cake, you have to buy ingredients every time. If you sell a physical product, you have to restock it every time. But with a digital product, you make it once, better yet, plug into a done-for-you system that already has it created, and you can sell it over and over again. That's why digital products are so powerful. Every single sale gives you 100% profit. And for busy parents and empty nesters like us, that's a huge relief. Because you don't want another job, you want something that gives you back your peace and time with your family. Let's be real, most families today are exhausted. Maybe you're a mom trying to juggle kids, work, and bills. A dad who feels like all you do is grind at work just to stay afloat. Or maybe you're like me, an empty nester who suddenly has more time, but also new financial concerns like retirement or helping. Living paycheck to paycheck is draining. It's not just financial, it's emotional. The stress in your body, in your sleep, and in your relationships. That's why this blueprint is so powerful. Because it's not about making millions overnight. It's about giving you back time and peace of mind. Now, I can't give everything away. That's what the free guide in the description is for. But let me break down the big picture. The Freedom Formula Blueprint is built around 5 steps. Step 1, choose the right done-for-you digital business. You don't want to waste months creating something nobody buys. With a done-for-you model, you start with proven products that people already want. Ebooks, templates, trainings, high quality, automated, and 100% profit for you. Set up your digital funnel. A funnel is just an online system that works for you 24/7. It captures emails, shows your product, takes payment, and delivers instantly. Think of it like hiring a round-the-clock assistant, but you only set it up once. Step 3, optimize your marketing. This is the fun part. You don't need paid ads, and you don't need a huge following. Instead, you can use free platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. You share short videos, tips, and your story. People connect with you, and that's what leads to sales. Step 4, build your email list. This is a game changer. Social media changes constantly, but an email list is yours forever. It's like having a direct line to your audience. You can build trust, share your story, and send out offers while you're living life. Step 5, automate and scale. And here's where it gets exciting. With automation, your emails and funnels work while you sleep, so you can spend more time with your family. And when you're ready, you can scale. reaching more people without working more hours. If this is starting to sound like the kind of peace and freedom you've been craving, then make sure you hit subscribe right now so you don't miss the next video. And grab your free Freedom Formula Blueprint in the description below. It breaks down these 5 steps in more detail so you can start today. The system isn't just for tech people. It's designed for beginners. I've seen moms who are burnout and now run their business in just 2 hours a day. Dads who wanted to be home more and no longer spend 60 hours a week at work. Empty nesters who thought they were too late to start, but now have something fun and exciting that also helps with retirement. It's simple, automated, and proof. You don't need fancy software, and you don't need to bug your friends and family, and you definitely don't need to be glued to your phone all day. Now let's be clear. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but I've seen real families go from stressed to stable. Some are earning $300 to $900 days just by plugging into the system using their phone and Wi-Fi. And the most important part, they're doing it without burning out. No cold calls, no chasing people, no expensive ads, just a simple system that works in the background while they focus on what matters most: family, health, and peace. Now you might be wondering, do I need tech skills? Nope. If you can use Facebook or send an email, you can do that. Do I need a big following? Not at all. Most people start with 0. The system and our mentor teaches you how to grow with free strategies that work. Do I need to spend thousands up front? Definitely not. This model is designed to be low cost and beginner friendly. Will it work for me if I don't have much time? Yes, the system is built around a 2-hour workday, perfect for busy parents, people with health challenges like me, or anyone who wants more flexibility. So if you're ready to stop living paycheck to paycheck and start building a business that gives you more peace, more time, and 100% profit, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more tips. And don't forget to grab your free Freedom Formula Blueprint in the description below. That's where you'll find the step-by-step guide that shows you exactly how this all works so you can start today. You don't have to keep sacrificing your peace and family time just to survive, friend. Selling digital products for 100% profit isn't just possible. It's happening for moms, dads, and empty nesters every single day. The difference is some people hear about it and keep scrolling, and others take action. So go grab your free blueprint now. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in this next video.